Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning, everyone. I'm Siti Nurbayu binti Muhammad Yusof. I'm from University Malaysia Sabah. Okay, today I will share my research entitled Petronas Merdeka TV Ads, a thematic analysis of nationalism discourse. Okay, for your information, this research is a component of my doctoral thesis, and I anticipate that this presentation will be advantageous to everyone. Okay, let's start. As for the introduction, independence served as a reminder of the importance of a fight for freedom, and it is not merely a historical event, but a cause that must be protected throughout one's lifetime. Right? And the National Day celebration marks the pinnacle of a nation's accomplishment as a sovereign and autonomous state, observed annually. The tradition of celebrating National Day as an annual event persists in order to pay tribute to the courageous freedom warriors who endeavors to liberate this nation from colonial domination. Okay. Utilizing the media to mold public perception is the most effective approach for the government to achieve its objectives. The media is purportedly responsible for disseminating the ideology of the ruling class. Researchers Nur Akmal, Muhammad Nakib, Muhammad Karul Azhari, and Karul Anwar in 2016 assert that the media consistently plays a crucial role in fostering multiculturalism and national unity in Malaysia. The dominant elite will manipulate the media to disseminate their ideology across society. Advertisements frequently incorporate science elements such as advertised object, contextual cues from the environment and individual who attribute significance to the object. Additionally, text in the form of written language is often used to reinforce the intended meaning, although it may not always be present in the advertisement, stated by Norashmani 2015. Audience interpretation of the message that is trying to be conveyed through advertisings depends on the personal interpretation of the individual, stated by Parak Dewan 1999. Okay, the primary objective of advertising is to effectively communicate a compelling message to the target audience with the intention of promoting the product or service being given. Okay, unbeknown to us, advertising processes and poses an implicit ideology that is communicated indirectly. The ideology is represented through the incorporation of visual effects and language in the advertisement. The argument of elements of science by Norashmani and audience interpretation by Parak Dewan argue that a semiotic analysis of Petronas Merdeka TV ads is necessary to comprehend how the ideology of nationalism is conveyed through TV ads. And these advertisements aim to have positive influence, raising awareness, and fostering a stronger sense of nationalism in Malaysian society. Okay, now we look at the problem statement. Okay, Antonio Gramsci in 1971 posits that the media serve as a tool to disseminate the dominant ideology and also function as a weapon to validate and regulate public discourse. Okay, and capitalists utilize the media as a mean to disseminate their ideas such as through advertising. Today's media faces numerous challenges that stem from government ideology. Okay, and most of the mass media channels in Malaysia are controlled by government entities or individuals that support the government. Therefore, this advertising phenomenon captivates the intention of researchers who endeavor to unravel the concealed significance of commercials by scrutinizing the government's ideology conveyed in Petronas Merdeka TV ads. Empirical evidence indicates that the majority of television advertisement, including PSA, the public service announcements, tend to allocate less focus on the intended message, particularly those that aim to encourage nationalism and advertisers frequently face constraints imposed by authority and the need to satisfy customer requests while deciding on the plot for an advertisement. Perception is the cognitive process by which an individual interprets and evaluates information based on their own response and perspective. Ineffective and unsuccessful PSAs can have a detrimental effect and contribute to a bad perception of the individual or subject being promoted. Okay, and the interpretation of these impacts is intricately linked to the comprehension and examination of semiotics or visual design symbols being presented. Yeah. Okay, now we look at the purpose of the study. This study examined the Petronas Merdeka TV ads to assess the government's utilization of nationalist terminology in the advertisements from uh, Petronas Merdeka TV ads 2017 and 2018. The study sought to investigate how advertising reinforces national identity through the idea of nationalism, with the objective of equipping the Malaysian community to confront forthcoming difficulties. The study also sought to comprehend the ramifications of the message and its underlying connotations among Malaysians. Moreover, this study aims to ascertain the impact of this advertising on fostering a feeling of national unity among Malaysian viewers. Okay, this is the research objective. Number one is to analyze the discourse of nationalism in the theme of Petronas Merdeka TV ads. And second one is to determine the implications of Petronas Merdeka TV ads on the development of the Malaysian national identity. Okay, I'll share with you about the literature review. Okay. The field of semiotics in communication focuses on the analysis of hidden signs or messages that are written or spoken language. This includes the examination of signs inside digital media, such as images and musical sounds. Within the scope of this study, the analysis of visual communication semiotics is employed to examine the Petronas Merdeka TV ads. Okay. Um, The social semiotic approach is a specialized field within semiotics that examines human behavior within a specific social and cultural framework. It seeks to elucidate the process by which meaning is constructed through social interactions. Audience will interpret the content sensed in the commercial based on their individual understanding and subsequently respond in a manner that is innate to them. And the semiotic system is influenced by ideology and social interests, and it serves as a catalyst for social change. Okay. Here some more about the literature review. Semiotic aspects exert significant influence in forming societal values, beliefs, and ideologies through mass media, particularly in commercial discourse. As a result, advertising specialists have specifically developed advertising semiotic methodologies. Okay, Parag Diwan assert that the impact of advertising is significantly shaped by the physical and emotional circumstances in which it's encountered. The audience understanding of the message transmitted through commercials is contingent upon the individual unique interpretation. Every individual interprets an advertisement according to their comprehension of the semiotic communication that the advertisement aims to convey. Yeah, and advertising is regarded as a mode of communication that involves the advertiser, the government, and the general public. Integrating real life issues into advertising is a beneficial strategy employed by advertisers. Okay, and the last one is Merdeka TV ads still resonate with viewers to this day, and it can inspire patriotism, pride, and unity. Okay, This is the Petronas Merdeka TV Act 2017 titled Piala Taman Thomas, and this is the Petronas Merdeka TV Act 2018 titled Cerita Kita. Okay, research methodology. The study utilizes media content analysis and in-depth interview as a qualitative technique, and this approach is utilized due to its appropriateness in accomplishing the study's aim and objectives, which involve analyzing the discourse of nationalism in the Petronas Merdeka TV Ads theme. Okay, now we look at the summary of thematic analysis of in-depth interviews. Okay, we have two uh, main topic, which is the first one is formation of nationalism discourse through Petronas Merdeka TV ads, and another one is the impact of Petronas Merdeka TV ads on the formation of the Malaysian nation. Okay, we look at the number one first. Formation of nationalism discourse through Petronas Merdeka TV ads. We have three findings. Okay, number one is the nationalism spirit. The study's findings indicate that the discourse of nationalism in Malaysian society is shaped by the portrayal of advertisement stories, which effectively cultivate a sense of national pride. Okay, informants assert that Petronas Merdeka TV ads have the capacity to enhance the consciousness of Malaysians towards their nation, which is nationalism. Okay. Number two is live reality. The development of Petronas Merdeka TV ads in 2017 and 2018 has accurately portrayed the actual state of Malaysian society. Informants state that the advertising accurately portrays the spirit of unity by featuring individuals from different ethnicity, which reflects the diverse composition of Malaysian society. Plural societies are frequently linked to the notion of unity. And the last one is society culture. The result indicate that the creation of Petronas Merdeka TV ads in 2017 and 2018 align with the cultural norms of Malaysian society. Informant expressed the view that both 2017 and 2018 Petronas Merdeka TV ads share a common theme of portraying Malaysia as a cohesive and diverse nation, emphasizing the unity of different races as a single family. Okay. As for the result of the impact of Petronas Merdeka TV ads on the formation of the Malaysian nation, we also have three findings. Number one is uh, the study revealed that the number one is formation of the Malaysian nation, and the study revealed that incorporating components of unity in the advertisement plot contributes to the development of a sense of national identity among the Malaysian population. Okay, and the elements depicted in the advertising symbolize the several races that make up the Malaysian population, including Malays, Chinese, Indians, and Bumiputras. And these aspects represent the multicultural nature of Malaysian society, where individuals from different backgrounds coexist harmoniously and show mutual respect for each other's custom. Number two is community relations. The creation of this Petronas Merdeka TV ads has cultivated favorable community ties, and the Petronas Merdeka TV ads showcases a plot that consistently presents a positive role model and subtly imparts the importance of honoring the religious festivals of many nations. Each Merdeka TV ads, the Petronas Merdeka TV ads, has the capacity to exert a significant influence and impact of the entire population of the country. And the last one, appreciation of independence. The research findings indicate that the development of a sense of independence is influenced by the messages conveyed in the Petronas Merdeka TV ads 2017 and 2018. The significance of freedom is further understood through the skillfully executed and well crafted plot of the Petronas Merdeka TV ads. The narrative structure is meticulously crafted to ensure that the transmitted content has positive implications for the listener. Okay. Um, Next, I think. Okay. The study's result elucidates that media practitioners utilize commercials to transmit implicit signals that can be utilized to foster the development of nationalism. The researcher examined the theme portrayed in Petronas Merdeka TV ads and its correlation with the promotion of nationalistic sentiments in the country. Okay, they analyzed the message of nationalism conveyed in the plot of the Petronas Merdeka TV ads. The government and the media practitioners strive to create constructive outcomes for the global community. The findings of the study provide evidence in favor of semiotic theory's role in shaping the creation of a TV advertisement. The inferred meaning in the Petronas Merdeka TV ads 2017 and 2018 has been deciphered by analyzing the use of symbols and props. Each symbol or item utilized in an advertisement carries a specific meaning that aligns with the intended purpose of the advertisement. Applying the semiotic theory of visual communication helps advertisers analyze the verbal and visual elements of commercials, allowing them to create more strategic content that effectively conveys both explicit and implicit meanings. Okay, and this is the references you can see here. Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye. Assalamualaikum.